Most people get this wrong when comparing InboxDollars and Swagbucks. They assume both apps are basically identical because they both pay you for simple online tasks. But in reality, the way they pay, the speed of earning, and the type of tasks are very different. Here's the truth no one tells you. The better platform depends entirely on how you like to earn. One rewards consistency and simplicity, while the other rewards variety and better long-term opportunities. In this video, you'll learn exactly how InboxDollars and Swagbucks compare in 2026, which one pays more in real usage, and which one is actually worth your time. Let's start with Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a large rewards platform where you can earn by doing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and completing offers. For example, Alex from Texas might answer a few surveys, watch some ads, and slowly build points called SB, which he later converts into gift cards or PayPal cash. But here's the problem. Swagbucks has a lot of small tasks that pay very little individually. It can feel slow if you are not choosing higher value offers like sign-up bonuses or game rewards. Now let's look at InboxDollars. InboxDollars is more straightforward. Instead of points, you earn real cash directly in dollars. John from California might get paid to read emails, complete surveys, or try out promotional offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. InboxDollars often feels more transparent because you see actual dollar amounts instead of points. But Swagbucks usually has more earning variety and more frequent bonus promotions. When it comes to payouts, Swagbucks generally offers more ways to earn, especially if you combine shopping deals, cashback, and high-value offers. InboxDollars, on the other hand, is simpler, but sometimes slower unless you focus on surveys and offers consistently. Another key difference is cash-out speed. Swagbucks often allows lower withdrawal thresholds depending on rewards chosen, while InboxDollars may require you to reach a minimum cash balance before cashing out. But here's something most users miss. The real earning difference is not just the platform, but how strategically you use it. Users who jump between random tasks earn far less than users who focus on high-paying offers consistently. So which one is better in 2026? If you want variety and more earning opportunities, Swagbucks is stronger. If you prefer simplicity and seeing real cash values, InboxDollars feels easier to understand and use. Now, here is the smartest strategy. Many experienced users actually use both platforms together. They take high-value Swagbucks offers when available and use InboxDollars for consistent small earnings. So the takeaway is simple. Neither platform is universally better. The better choice depends on your earning style and how consistently you use it. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions online.